All right, so nothing much to this box, but special thanks to the company for sending me their balloon arch kit. You know, so you can have like happy birthday or, you know, something like that in your front yard or house when people walk in. So, comes with a lot of stuff. These are used for tying balloons. You can, you're able to hold them to help be able to do the balloon tying. This looks like a bunch of clips to hold the balloons that would go in the archway kit. Look at that. Even got some pumps to pump up balloons. Balloon pumps. 2 of them. I don't know what this is. Alright. 2 of those. And then these must be the stands. So 2 stands, of course. And then these are the poles, which, as you can see, they're kind of like camping gear, where they're just perfectly arches. And some mounts. Some nice little string. Balloon glue. And last but not least, an explanation of what everything is. So that is a plastic water bag, I guess, to weight it down. Balloon clips, balloon knotter, balloon pumps, ground nail, red rope, glue point, PVC base, long pipes, and fiber poles. And so yeah, just make the arch. Once you make the arch, you take these little pieces and put them on this, where that you put the balloons and tie it, and then boom, it pops up and looks like it does in these photos. So that's what you can expect from the unboxing. Everything that comes in there. That'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.